Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely Ford Ecosport. Now this is the 1 litre turbo ST-Line, so full exterior sports body kit. Lots of contrasting gloss black detailing on this one as well. So your front grille, your lower mouldings, your window surrounds, your roof, your mirror caps, they're all in the gloss black. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got front and rear parking sensors. This one also comes with a reversing camera, so a big spec car. We're riding on 18-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels, finished in gloss black with a diamond turned outer edge. Bodywork wise, paintwork wise, a lovely example, so you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. All the alloys are in nice order. Obviously the EcoSport has quite a unique rear door. So as you can see, opens up fully, gives you a massive loading area. Looking at the bottom there at the plinth, you can see that's all in nice order. This is your factory detachable tow bar, never been used, in absolutely superb order. Another big factory option on this. Coming through, looking down the passenger side, again bodywork, alloys, paintwork. It's a very bonny car. Now, jumping inside, you get a half leather and mainly suede cloth sports seat with a contrasting white stitch, or red stitch on this one, sorry. So we've got red stitching. So as you can tell, the red stitch, that follows through onto the steering wheel. But it looks fantastic. Now, spec follows through to the interior. So 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. We've got park folding mirrors, electric park folding mirrors I should say. We've got B&O sound, which is your Bang & Olufsen surround sound system. Automatic lights, leather multifunction steering wheel. And on there's your cruise control and speed limiter, your voice command. Satellite navigation, clicking back through to home. Audio is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. Bluetooth phone, mobile apps, and then when you click through to settings, this gives you your full interface. So we've got Android Auto, we've got Wi-Fi on there. As we're doing the video, this vehicle's only covered 10,226 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then spec-wise, following through again, we've got heated front seat, we've got heated front screen, heated steering wheel, a dual zone or a climate control with air conditioning, 2 USBs. All your parking sensors are there as well for your button to turn on and off. When you flick it into reverse, reversing camera engages. We've got auto dimming rear view mirror, central armrest, which is in nice order, and then all the documentation which was supplied from new, locking wheel nut, that's all found in there as well. So if you'd like any more information on our car, give us a call on 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.